You're about to spend $80,000 on a truck that was never meant to last. Not 200,000 miles, not even 100,000. And the craziest part? The manufacturers know it. This isn't bad luck. This isn't poor maintenance. This is engineering by design. By the end of this video, you'll understand why modern trucks are failing earlier than ever, which brands are quietly in trouble, and what dealerships hope you never find out. Point 1. Material scam. Let's start under the hood. 20 years ago, trucks were built like tanks: steel, iron, aluminum. Today, plastic everywhere. Manufacturers call it weight reduction, but here's the truth. That plastic is sitting inches away from extreme heat, expanding, shrinking, over and over again, until one day it cracks. And when it cracks, it doesn't bend like metal. It fails instantly. Oil leaks, coolant leaks, engine damage. And just like that, your $80,000 truck is stranded on the side of the road. Point 2. Engine systems destroying themselves. Now it gets worse. Modern trucks are filled with fuel-saving systems that are actually destroying engines from the inside. Cylinder deactivation systems, designed to save a tiny amount of gas, are causing massive internal damage. Lifters collapsing, camshafts grinding, metal flowing through the engine. Some owners report total engine failure before 60,000 miles. Let that sink in. A truck that costs more than a house failing before it's even paid off. Point 3. You can't fix it anymore. But here's the real trap. Even if something breaks, you probably can't fix it. Modern trucks are no longer mechanical machines. They're computers on wheels, sensors, software, locked systems. You can't just replace a part anymore. You need dealer authorization, dealer software, dealer prices. Even simple repairs now cost hundreds, sometimes thousands. This isn't an accident. It's control. Point 4. Quality is dropping. And the data proves it. Truck reliability is getting worse, not better. More electronics, more failure points, more expensive problems, and less control for the owner. So what should you do? Stop chasing the newest truck. Start looking at proven engines, older models, simpler systems, machines that were built to last. Because in today's market, new doesn't mean better. It just means more expensive problems. If you found this useful, subscribe for more videos exposing what companies don't want you to know, because the next expensive mistake might already be in your driveway.